Hey, what's going on there, YouTube? It's your boy Rocky from RockSideRC. Here you guys with another video today. We got something that's really cool. It's actually on sale right now. I figured I'd share that with you guys, basically. You know, Horizon Hobby has another sale on the Axial SCX24, the actual JT. So if you don't have that vehicle yet, you might want to go down there and check him out. You know, either go to your local hobby store that actually will do that deal that Horizon has right now, or you can obviously just order it through Horizon Hobby. All right, so let's check out and see what we have. Also, the original colors that are on sale are only the tan and the blue version of the JT. So this one here and the original blue color are the ones that are on sale for the $100. I took my back piece off, but otherwise, very good trucks. Check them out. Okay, we are gonna do an unboxing though. Okay, so here's the truck, the new JT. I'll give you guys a closer look of the JT. Beautiful truck. Pardon me, beautiful truck. Definitely did a beautiful job on this truck. Very nice. All right. Just the Velcro in the front. Yes, it is. Okay. All right. So they still give you the Velcro in the front, like the original. You know, this is version 2. So everything looks pretty similar except for the ESC, of course. Looks like they changed it a little bit. Let me just confirm that. Yes. Yes, the ESC is definitely different. Version 1, you have this ESC in the blue color. Okay. And version 2 has the new Spectrum symbol on it and everything else. Same setup though as far as with the battery connection. Just plug it right into the ESC and you're good to go. They do provide us with a remote. This is the SLT2. Not bad. Very convenient. Definitely one hand this one. All right, they do give us batteries for the remote. Very cool. Thank you very much, Axial. And a sticker, and of course the manual. They give us a NIM charger specifically for our battery, because they have that different connection rather than the IC2. So I was debating on if I should hook up the trailer to this one. You know, since it has everything on there as far as with the scale, accessories, I may do that, at least for now. All right, guys, let's hook up this mount and get the trailer hooked up. Just to show you this piece here for the hitch, or to attach the hitch, just literally slides in between the frame. Line up the holes and you are good to go. They do provide screws and they provide the like instructions just in case you need a hand with it, basically. What I did was just remove the whole body. Okay, just to show you, the mount is in. That mount goes underneath this bracket here for the body mounting bracket. It goes above the tow hitch assembly. So, good to go. Let's see. All right, let's see how this attaches. Okay. So they have a clip here little body clip. All right. Take this out, and then you set it to the length that is convenient for your truck. So here we go. Let's see. Yep, there we go. So probably bring it out a little bit more if possible, if we can. Okay, we're good to go. Okay, I think we're ready to do some crawling now. RC, just want to give you guys my final thoughts on the JT. This truck, it actually performs very well from out the box with the stock battery. I mean, honestly, you really don't need to upgrade it. Obviously, if you want to, you know, that's your preference, of course. But for $100, this thing is a steal. If you have the chance, I would definitely try to grab it. I would check out Horizon Hobby. Check out your local hobby store. See if they'll do the deal with you that Horizon Hobby has. If they're an authorized dealer, they should be able to do it. If not, then, you know, maybe just go through Horizon Hobby. All right, but great looking truck. These are the new colors. I got the black one, but the old color, the tan and the blue, those are the two trucks that are actually on sale. So the tan and the blue JT, they're going for $100 right now. So, all right, guys, thank you very much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. I hope everybody has a good day. I hope everybody's enjoying their RCs. Hope everybody's enjoying their family and their friends. And that's your boy Rocky from RockSideRC. Have a good day.